I'm Martha Arno, physical therapist and phys ed professional from your channel, Pilates for everybody. In this video, and lots more to come, you will find ideas of Pilates exercises to work with your clients with physical disabilities. This is the first video in a series of Mat Pilates exercises for a person with an arm malformation. Carol is a Parataekwondo athlete who has been doing Pilates with me for 5 years now and has just won gold in the Paris 2024 Paralympics. We're going to see which props can help align the shoulder girdle and activate the muscles to gain more control, precision, and strength. We're going to start with a roll down to help improve her C curve. Bring your chin to your chest without tensing your neck. Bring your inner thighs together, connect your sit bones, and activate your glutes. Push your arms forward, keeping your shoulders down. Pull your lower abdominals to you and roll back, breathing in. Use your abdominals and glutes. Return, reaching your hands and head way forward, breathing out. Someone with one smaller and shorter arm will rely much more on the functional, stronger side. This will create an imbalance in strength in her back, which can create a future scoliosis. It's also common to see unnecessary and unintentional movements on a smaller, weaker side, which can lead to tension in the shoulder and neck and cause pain. One way we can try and balance these strengths is by using a resistance band. Make sure that the band is positioned at the same height on each arm. Palms facing down. Bring your inner thighs together. Now reach your arms forward. Press your right arm outwards. Roll down. Breathe out to return. Open your right arm a bit more. The magic circle is also an excellent prompt to help with centralization and alignment. We can place it outside her arms or inside. Is it in the same height on both arms? Now press the magic circle using your center and roll down. This prop is a tactile cue to help her concentrate forces in her center, keep her scapula in place, and shoulder girdle alignment. Often, when our client lies down, his head turns up like this. So, we place a cushion or two underneath his head until his neck is in proper position. But Carol does not need one, so we take it out. Also, to balance both sides of her body in the next exercise, we will place an ankle weight around her smaller arm. Now, bring your knees to your chest, lift your head and shoulders, and begin by pressing both hands forward with intention. Stretch your legs. Glue your inner thighs together. Breathe in for a count of 5. Breathe out for a count of 5. Press your abdominals in. Good. Bring your knees to your chest and lower your head and shoulders. We will do a roll-up to lengthen the posterior chain through the action of the powerhouse. Please place the magic circle between your arms. You will press the magic circle not with your arms, but with your abdominals. Stretch your legs, keeping your inner thighs together. A good place to provide support is right here. And bring your arms back, breathing out. Bring your arms to the ceiling, breathe in, and roll up as you squeeze the magic circle. Roll back down, reaching your arms forward and your abdominals to the back. Bring your arms back, lowering your ribs, breathe out. Now that we've worked on centralization, let's work on alignment with the elastic band. Press your arms out to the sides so they don't cross each other. Notice how Carol's stronger arm pulls the smaller one towards the center. Pull your abdominals in and lower your shoulders. For the rolling like a ball, the magic circle is more interesting than the band because we want to centralize by thinking of closing the magic circle. Draw your knees to your chest, round your spine, head and shoulders curled forward. Activate the inner thighs and core. Notice how she maintains cervical alignment. Now do it the wrong way. Let your head drop back. It's easier, but you don't need control for it. This is the challenge of the rolling like a ball. This is also wrong. We need precision and control. Easier, isn't it? but you don't need control. And that's what makes the exercise so effective. Liked it? So subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you get to know about all the courses and workshops that we offer on Para Pilates for Everyone channel. Any questions or comments? Write them down here and we'll get in touch.